In this section, I will talk about EC2 user data. It's possible to bootstrap our instances using EC2 user data script. Bootstrapping means launching commands when a machine starts. That script is only run once at the instance first start. EC2 user data is used to automate both tasks such as installing updates, installing software, downloading common files from the internet, or anything you can think of. So the EC2 user data script runs with the root user. So in our case, we want to make sure that this EC2 instance has an Apache HTTP server installed on it, and it is used to display a simple web page. For it, we are going to write a user data script. This script will be executed at the first boot of the instance. So let's do it. So let's first open the AWS Management Console and navigate to the EC2 dashboard, and we can launch instances here. So let's click this button and choose the AMI. Here I'm going to use the Amazon Linux 2 AMI. And for the instance type, I'm going to choose the t2.micro. And I will leave this configuration as default. And here, user data, I will paste some shell script here. So let's look at this shell script. This is a simple shell script. It will update our software first, and then install the Apache server, and it will echo this command into this index.html. Okay, so let's copy and paste it here. Paste it on the user data section. Okay, so let's click next storage. I will also use the default configuration and click next tags. I will give my instance a name, for example, user data demo. Okay, and click configure security group. So I will choose the existing one, which will be this one. Okay, and click review and launch. If everything is okay, we can just click launch button. Okay, and choosing an existing key pair. Okay, launch instances. So you can see our instance is starting now. So I will wait for a second, and then I will go back. So now the instance is ready, and I can visit this instance by throwing the public IP and paste it here. Sorry. Okay, you will see a page like this. This is because we have installed the Apache server through the user data, and we configure it, right? So that's it. So if you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.